Welcome to Austin, Texas, home of our latest solar roof masterpiece. Let me take you guys down a little story and give you some background on this project. In February of 2025, earlier this year, I was on my way to the International Roofing Expo in San Antonio when I decided to make a pit stop at one of my prospects' homes in the city of Austin who was interested in retrofitting his roof to a Tesla solar roof. He was also interested in backing up his entire home. He's very worried about backup and grid outages and grid issues here in the state of Texas. So he wanted a whole home battery solution. He did not want a generator like a lot of his neighbors had purchased, and he was looking for the right solution for his home. So today I'm gonna let the home do the speaking for itself. It's an absolutely gorgeous home, but I'm just gonna walk you guys through a couple of the key highlights that make this project so unique. The first one is the sheer size of the solar roof. It's 507 active tiles or 36.5 kW DC. It is an AC coupled system because the Tesla solar roof uses MCIs or mid-circuit interrupters as its form of rapid shutdown. We have to couple this solar roof with Tesla's inverters. At some point, Tesla had 208 inverters. Now they don't make those anymore, but at the time of this project, we did. So we have 4 Tesla 7.6 kW AC inverters being fed into 2 Solarc 30 kWs, which then lead into 2 60 kilowatt hour outdoor battery cabinets from Solarc. It's an absolutely beautiful, pretty much a commercial sized solar and battery system. The home itself is gorgeous. It sits right in central Austin at the top of a hill overlooking Lady Bird Lake. As you can see across the lake from me is Westlake, an up and coming beautiful suburb of the city of Austin. The client purchased this home nearly 2 years ago, and upon moving in, decided to completely remodel the house, and the roof was a key component of that. At the time, he had a brown colored standing seam metal roof with polysilicon solar panels that had silver frames on them. There was conduit snaking all over the roof. He really didn't feel like his existing solar roof matched the aesthetic of his home. And so one of his key projects was one, to improve the aesthetic of the house with Tesla solar roof having an all-in-one and integrated solar and roofing product. At the same time, as I mentioned earlier, he was really worried about Winter Storm Uri style power outages that could have catastrophic effects on one's home, including flooding and all types of other issues. Just being without power is not a pleasant experience for anybody. So the client was really interested in the energy production out of the system. The system's set to generate almost 50,000 kilowatt hours a year in energy production, 120 kilowatt hours of storage, which should be sufficient with the proper load management to continue the cycle of perpetually using his solar and batteries during an extended outage, as mentioned, with the proper load management. But ultimately, all of his goals were met in the sense that he wanted to upgrade the aesthetic of his home, he wanted to save money on his electric bill, and he wanted complete security against power outages, which we all know it's not a matter of if, but when here in the state of Texas. So with that, enjoy the highlights, the beautiful home that we're sitting on, the beautiful landscape and scenery surrounding us. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this production. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below and we'll get back to you as quickly as we can. I'm Mo Abdallah. Peace out, adios, and salamu alaikum.